Make money online from home with Appen. Marked by unprecedented growth, the gig economy presents a myriad of opportunities, enticing individuals to explore avenues for augmenting their income without leaving the confines of their homes. Amid the myriad of platforms that cater to this burgeoning trend, one distinctive name emerges: Appen. When your ambition is to introduce cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions to the world, aligning yourself with Appen becomes the bedrock of your confidence in your deployment strategy. Not just renowned, but indeed, Appen signifies reliability as a paramount source of online freelance opportunities. Whether your aspirations involve merely converting your idle hours into a source of supplementary income, or perhaps crafting a stable weekly revenue stream, this comprehensive guide has been meticulously tailored with you in mind. We're set to immerse ourselves in a meticulous exploration of strategies and tactics that have the potential to empower you with the capacity to generate $500 every week through appen.com. Step 1. Crafting an exemplary profile. Your profile on Appen isn't just a mere registration formality. It serves as your digital introduction, a doorway to a world of opportunities. The more you invest in enhancing your profile, the greater your returns in terms of potential tasks. The roadmap to crafting an exemplary profile entails a detailed approach. Number 1. Expound upon your pertinent skills and qualifications, encompassing linguistic proficiencies, technical expertise, or specialized knowledge in various domains. Number 2. Ensure completeness across all sections of your profile, illustrating your unwavering commitment to this endeavor. And number 3, showcase any relevant tests or certifications you've successfully completed, which can bolster your appeal to project managers. Step 2. Earning qualifications for tasks. Appen isn't a platform where you merely complete tasks for a modest payout. Most tasks necessitate the successful passage of a qualification test. Follow these invaluable guidelines to assure your triumph. Number 1. Diligently peruse and internalize the task's guidelines, comprehending the prerequisites for success. Number 2. Harness the potential of the Practice Run feature, an invaluable tool for honing your precision and expediting your efficiency. And number 3, remember, haste isn't your ally. Shun the temptation to rush, for dedicating the requisite time to ensure accuracy is the true path to success. Step number 3, selecting the optimal projects. Careful selection of the right projects is pivotal in maximizing your earnings potential. Keep these critical factors in mind when choosing your next venture. Number 1. Pay rate per hour varies considerably, with some projects offering compensation between $5 to $30 per hour, contingent on the skill set required. Number 2. Evaluate the weekly time commitment that each project demands, ensuring it aligns with your available hours. Step number 4. Mastering work optimization. Efficiency is the cornerstone of augmenting your earnings. Swift task completion without sacrificing quality is the definitive pathway to a higher income. Employ keyboard shortcuts and sustain a meticulously organized workspace to mitigate distractions. Reliability through consistency is paramount. Consistently logging in and diligently completing tasks is the surefire route to success. Remember, quality is unequivocally superior to quantity. The delivery of high-caliber work correlates with elevated ratings, potentially unlocking access to higher-paying tasks and coveted bonuses. Step number 5. Unlocking bonuses and incentives. A noteworthy feature of several Appen projects is the inclusion of bonuses for exceptional performance and the attainment of predefined milestones. always scrutinize each project for the presence of enticing incentives that have the potential to amplify your earnings. Step number 6. Strategic tracking and analytics. Tracking your earnings is more than just keeping records. It's about unveiling the most lucrative tasks in your repertoire. Set daily targets to break down your weekly objective into manageable daily increments. Analyze your earnings to discover which tasks yield the most profitable results. What does it take to work at Appen? To work at Appen, there are several requirements and expectations. First and foremost, applicants must meet a minimum age requirement of 18 years. They should possess excellent web research skills and analytical abilities, along with strong comprehension and written communication skills. Access to high-speed internet, be it cable, modem, DSL, or another form is crucial. A personal computer running Google's free Chrome web browser, version 45 or newer, is necessary. And for certain assignments, specific mobile devices like smartphones or tablets may be required. Additionally, all workers are expected to keep their antivirus and anti-spyware software up to date. What Appen expects from you? Appen's expectations from its contributors are equally important. Appen aims to build a diverse global community, representing over 170 countries and speaking 235 or more languages and dialects to ensure inclusivity in datasets and support AI for good. Contributors must provide accurate information and maintain an individual account in good standing with an approved Appen payment provider. Selling, purchasing, or falsifying account information is strictly prohibited. Furthermore, contributors are required to conduct their work honestly, with integrity and respect. They should not use bots or engage in collusion with other workers. And subcontracting is allowed only with prior agreement. Accurate reporting of hours worked is essential. Contributors should also adhere to local regulations and avoid any involvement in criminal activities while working on behalf of Appen. Professional communication is expected, and the use of profanity or derogatory language is not tolerated. Lastly, contributors must accurately represent their skill set in their profiles, without any exaggeration to increase job opportunities, and should refrain from posting project-related information in social media, YouTube, Reddit, or any other platform, as it violates the non-disclosure agreement. The cornerstone of generating $500 every week on Appen is a lucid comprehension of the platform, the astute selection of tasks, and the establishment of a sustainable work regimen. Success necessitates meticulous preparation, unwavering dedication, and unrelenting diligence. Are you prepared to embark on this journey towards weekly earnings of $500 with Appen.com? The opportunities are ripe for the taking. If you are prepared to commit your time and effort to enhance your 9-to-5 income, Appen could very well be your ideal platform. It's an equation of preparation, dedication, and diligence that leads to financial prosperity. If you found value in this material, we humbly request your support through the simple act of liking this content and subscribing to our vibrant community. Until our next encounter, we wish you the best of luck on your journey towards financial success.